Hi guys, yeah, this is for Billy Concept TV. This is installation of Jua Studio in Ogun State, Nigeria. Guys, this is installation of extra height. Extra height are doors that have extra height, which is a higher door, and it's not really common in the market of Lagos or in any door store. It's these are doors that need to be precise, and you need to select it based on what you have on site. So we place this door on order from the Jua company about a month ago, and finally the door is here for installation. Thank God for good order. Thank God for having a good representative from the company who really make the effort of making it possible for our client from the diaspora who really waited to have his good today. Finally, the goods have arrived, and we started installation of this amazing extra high door. So, what is the cost of this door in the market? Currently, the 3 feet of this extra height is which is 900 by 2.4 meter is 250,000 naira, and the 4 feet, which is 1.2 by 2.4 meter, is 350,000 naira. Installation cost is not included. The cost of installing a door now with transportation and installation and bricklayer job is 25,000 naira. What you really need to provide is just the cement. So we are going to be installing for all these apartments in Lagos, in Ogun State. So installation have begin. What we do in the installation procedure is to hang the frame. Then later, after the frame are plumbed, set to the normal wall, the next is to put the door flip, and we are going to achieve it now. So this is the installation procedure of this jewel door. Finally, the door is installed on this phase of the project, and this is the 1.2 meter by 2.1 extra high door. Guys, this is Wabeli Concept TV. You can always check us for for door project, for tiling project, for painting project, for interior concept ideas. So this is what we do, guys. So we have the total numbers of door here to be 14 in numbers, and 8 numbers of 3 feet, which is 900 900 by 1.2, and we have 900 by 2.1, then we have 1.2 by 2.1 at 6 numbers of the door. So we are able to achieve our installation on this particular day. Since the bricklayer are still working, we need to make storage of others door, and the project continues. So guys, this is what Billy Concept TV. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all.